As you are completing your BottleRocket portfolio, there are a bunch of different things that you can do in Microsoft Word that will make your portfolio stand out and look much more neat and presentable. So I'm just going to go through a couple of those. So make sure on your portfolio, you definitely want to have some sort of title. I would give your portfolio a whole title page. So I would make sure that you center your typing, maybe write Bottle Rocket Portfolio, your name, and maybe Introduction to Engineering A1. Then I would give the date. You could even write McKinley Technology High School. You can add any of this stuff that you think is important. So right now, if I just left it like that, it looks a little bland. They all look the same. I can't tell what the actual title is. So I'm going to make sure my title is much bigger than the rest of my words. Maybe I want to bold it. And I want my name to stand out more than everything else also. So I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I can even put them on two separate things, and maybe I want to center in the page. So I can go down here, see how that looks. That looks pretty nice. I can go and change my font because I always like this font. Okay, that looks pretty good. Maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can see. Okay, so now I'm going to go, and here's my actual portfolio. I always think that there's a lot of extra space around the sides, and you're not being graded on how many pages you can write here. So if that is completely out of the picture, then you can go to page layout, and I think when you make narrow margins, it looks a lot nicer. You're going to be able to fill up the page more. It's going to have more pictures on each page, more words to talk about things, so it might look a little bit better. So that's your margins. You also, as you're typing, so let's say I'm definitely going to make sure that my typing is not centered. So my first thing is design brief. Then I'm going to take a picture of a design brief, maybe in my book. That might not be the best idea because a lot of yours that I saw were a little bit messy, and that's something that you can easily type in here. So you can go and open the design brief template. Let's see if I have it here. Yep, you can open the design brief template, and all you have to really do is copy and paste this right in here. Okay, so they have all these lines here, and we don't really need them. This is just because it's they did this in a table. So let's go here and backspace those. So here's my whole design brief. All I have to do now is type in my words, type in what I'm talking about, and then my whole design brief will fit nicely there. Then my next thing, say I have some research, and if I want to take a picture from the internet, I can do that. Make sure you watch the adding pictures into Microsoft Word documents screencast that is also with this one, if you're going to put a picture in from the internet, because you want to make sure it lines up nicely and meshes, flows well with your portfolio.
Good morning.